Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cream makeup palettes that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. Achieve a flawless, airbrushed look with Aesthetica Cream Contour Kit. This palette contains 6 blendable, silky creams that sculpt, define, and highlight your face. With easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions and contour mapping guide, you can contour like a pro. The removable and refillable pans allow you to create a perfect blend that works for all skin tones. The formula is non-irritating, talc-free, and paraben-free, suitable for all ages and skin types, including dry, oily, or combination skin. The kit is 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free, ensuring you can contour with a clean conscience. Use in conjunction with Aesthetica Powder Contour Kit for a flawless finish. Best results with Aesthetica Beauty Sponge Blender. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Laura Geller Best of the Best Tuscan Dreams palette. The Laura Geller Tuscan Dreams palette offers a complete makeup solution with 6 neutral baked eyeshadows, a bronzer, blush, and highlighter, perfect for creating a full face look. You'll appreciate having all these essentials in one compact, travel-friendly palette. Each product is handmade in Italy using a unique baking process that transforms cream into silky powders, ensuring smooth application and long-lasting wear. The palette features a mix of matte and shimmer shades inspired by the warm, dreamy colors of Tuscany, giving you versatile options for both day and night looks. This palette lets you easily achieve a polished, radiant look with minimal effort. At number 3, we have the Ruby Kisses 3D Cream Contour Artist Set. The Ruby Kisses Contour Set offers you long-lasting makeup that stays flawless for over 12 hours, so you can feel confident throughout your day. Its full coverage formula helps hide blemishes and control shine, giving your skin a smooth and fresh look from morning to night. This set is very versatile as it works as a foundation, contour, and concealer in one, allowing you to easily shape and highlight your best features. Plus, the semi-matte finish creates a natural, clean appearance that looks like your skin, but better, perfect for an effortless and polished look. At number 2, we have the Laura Geller New York Baked Full Face Basics palette. The Laura Geller New York Baked Full Face Basics palette is an all-in-one makeup palette that includes 6 baked eyeshadows, a baked bronzer, a baked highlighter, and a baked blush. All formulas are handmade in Italy with a unique baking process that creates a silky powder texture. The eyeshadows include both matte and shimmer finishes, while the blush, bronzer, and highlighter come in flattering neutral tones that are perfect for any skin tone. The palette also comes with instructions on how to apply each product for a full-face look. And finally, at number 1, we have the Eakroo 6 Colors Concealer Palette. Transform your look with Eakroo's 6 Colors Concealer Palette. This cream contour palette features shades for contouring and illuminating creams for highlighting. With the ability to create an illusion of higher cheekbones, a smaller forehead, a softer jawline, or a slimmer nose, you can easily draw light to the areas you want to highlight. The special formula is silky and smooth, with moisturizing ingredients that make it easy to apply. Say goodbye to uneven skin tones, redness, dark circles, veins, and purple-ish bruises. The package includes a makeup brush, making it easy to apply the concealer without any hassle. This concealer palette is perfect for everyday use, party makeup, casual makeup, or wedding makeup. It's the ideal gift for anyone who wants to achieve a natural and shiny makeup look. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.